This is the Pacific Palisades Commission, an E.C.D electric custom Series 3 Roadster Jaguar E-Type built to our client's exact specification. The Pacific Palisades Commission is finished in full gloss Elgar grey with chrome accents. This E-Type sits on premium 16-inch wire wheels with Michelin performance tyres. It also features refinished original chrome bumpers and LED lighting all round. Inside, the Pacific Palisades Commission features a 15-inch original steering wheel with EV gauges. This E-Type features the original Series 3 seating. Each seat is finished in a vertical spinnyback and Amalfi leather, stitched together in Garrett Scarlet. The Pacific Palisades Commission is powered by our E.C.D custom Gen 2 electric drivetrain. This vehicle also features an array of modern elements such as E.C.D EV user interface, JL audio sound system and USB charging ports.